I did take a quick look at the patent, and just like what any good patent attorney will do is draft it broadly so it covers much more than the actual product, and you leave off things like dimensions or colors or shapes. Did you have a so you had a patent search done, and because obviously you want to find out if you're reinventing the wheel or if your idea is actually original. So
Right.
was that a
Yeah.
nerve-wracking process, the wait?
Well, it was interesting, and I really credit our patent attorney for doing a really good job helping educate us around the process and understanding prior art, which is such a critical component to any patent submission. Which basically, if you don't do that search and reference other things that have come before you that may have led to your development of your idea, then your patent can be denied. And so, our attorney did a really good job, and we went through that search together. I mean, we would look up things, and then of course, patents go back to the 1800s in this country. So it's interesting the things that you start finding. But I think he did a great job. And even when we were ready to submit, we had the engineering designs and the drawings and all of those things. We had the references, the prior art. So I feel like we were putting our best foot forward. And you do wait. You wait it for us. We waited about 2 years, I think, before we heard an approval. So during that time, it is a little nerve wracking because you're out there, you're selling products, and
Yep.
there's a chance that you would be denied. Thankfully, that was not the case with us. But yeah, it is a little bit nerve wracking. But I think it really does benefit you to have a very knowledgeable and experienced patent attorney because it's such an important part of the process.
In that it prevents you from having to compete against, because you're not, Walmart. You're not going to be able to compete
Right,
on price against some huge multinational corporation. So
right.
just having the intellectual property is a key.
And we did file for a provisional. So I remember, it was actually in business school. Monica and I both went to Columbia Business School, and that's when we first wrote the business plan for Solemates. And so when we were in school, somebody had said something about a provisional patent. And I always tell inventors or prospective inventors to look into doing that because then it gives you a 1 year period to file your official utility or design patents. And I like that idea because not only do you put yourself first in line or give yourself priority in line, but you also have that timer going. So it really is kind of that push to get you going to research whether or not you can actually move forward with officially patenting the idea.